What's up YouTube, it's your girl Rhonda and I am back with another video. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you watch, like, comment, and of course subscribe. My name is Rhonda Samia and I am a sergeant in the Army. I've been in for 7 years, officially yesterday. And I'm currently stationed in Fort Bragg, North Carolina. And I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you guys. Sorry for the echo, it's like literally nothing in here right now. And if you guys can see by the title, this is going to be my empty house tour. I literally just closed on this house yesterday. I have been working with the realtor ever since I was in Korea on getting my first house. And this is it. So yes, I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So many people have been asking for this, and of course I had to give it to you guys. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this house real fast. So this house is newly constructed. When my wife first started, it was literally nothing but the foundation up. We were able to customize a lot of stuff, including the floors, the cabinets, the granite, and all that type of stuff, which was awesome. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath. It has a media room and a laundry room as well. And yeah, it's just a beautiful, 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 beautiful house. So yeah, let's get the tour started. Y'all bear with me because my little tripod thing is acting like super fucking crazy today. Like, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's stressing me out. Like, I just want to give y'all this house tour, and it's not cooperating with me. Like, what the fuck? Get his life together. Like, seriously. All right, guys, we're going to unlock the door. Super exciting. All right, so like I said, excuse my little tripod thing because it is really acting crazy right now. But like I said, we got to customize these floors, and I really wanted a light gray, and I freaking love it. So this is what you see when you first walk in the house. When you turn right, you have your first bedroom, and like I said, this house is a 5-bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It can be used as an office, but right now it's gonna be a bedroom for us because my wife's cousin lives with us. So this is going to be his room, and it has a little walk-in closet. This is a pretty good size, honestly. So when you come out the first room, you have the first bathroom. And like I said, there's 3 full-size bathrooms in here. All the bathrooms in the kitchen also has this pretty colored gray cabinets. And then we have this white granite tops. I had to stop using my goddamn tripod because, yeah, it was acting crazy. So yeah, this is what y'all gonna get. Y'all gonna get it on my phone. Obviously, it has a toilet. And then it has the shower bath combination, and that's it for the bathroom. And then also all the bathrooms have this pretty tile, and it's also on the walls, which I freaking love. I think it's such a pretty color. And then once you come out the bathroom, you have your coat closet. So this is the coat closet. And then let me just show you guys what the front door looks like from the inside. And I love that we have the actual window so you can see outside. Well, I kind of don't like it because people could be looking all in our goddamn house. So I'll probably get that covered with something. So then when you come out the bathroom, you have the steps to go upstairs, which I will take you guys to in a minute. But this is the living room area. And as you can see, we have a fireplace, and then a ceiling fan, and I love these little windows up there. But yeah, it's a pretty nice space. Let me back up so you guys can see the full thing. But yeah, this is the living room area. And then one thing I also love is that I put my shoes right there, but it has this little like rain mud room type feel. So I guess if you come in through the garage, you can, you know, put your shoes right there. I'm probably gonna put some pillows here so people can sit, hang book bags, jackets. This is the security system, which we haven't set up yet. Then let me show you guys the garage. So this is the garage, nothing special. My plan with this is to make a home gym, honestly. And yeah, just somewhere that I can go and freaking work out and not have to go to the gym. It has an electric power garage opener. So if you press this button right here, it opens up the garage. And just closing it, so I don't want to open. And then I also have the garage opener in my car as well. Another thing that I do love is that it has these double doors. And I'm not gonna show you guys the kitchen and all that yet because the kitchen is literally my favorite part. But this is the backyard. I'll take you guys out there in a minute. It's pretty big. All right, now it's time to go upstairs. So one thing I don't like about this house is carpet. Like I literally hate carpet. But I don't know. The builders, this is just how they build with carpet upstairs. I eventually think I am going to take the carpet up and just make it have hardwood floors throughout. So when you come upstairs to the left, this is going to be the first bedroom. And this is going to be the guest bedroom. It's a pretty good size. It just has a regular light on there. Obviously carpet. And then it has a closet. It's just a regular size closet. You can kind of walk in there, so yeah, it's pretty good size, like I said. And I love how they did put like all the closets with these things, and they have like little hangs on them so you can like hang stuff. It's just really good. This is the master bedroom, but I'll show you guys that last. We also have a little heating thing in here. I didn't show you the one downstairs, but upstairs and downstairs have different heating systems. So in case somebody wants it cold downstairs and hotter upstairs. So this is our media room. It doesn't have doors on it. And like I said, it's a pretty good size. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this room yet. I was thinking maybe an office / beauty room, or maybe I want to actually make it a media room. I honestly don't know. And then this is the hallway closet. They said it's like a media closet. So like when we get internet and all that, all the people got to do is like hook up whatever this stuff is in this, and it'll hide everything. All right, so this is the next bedroom. And this most likely is going to be Sam's room. It's a pretty good size. I feel like it's probably the same size as his room now. And then obviously it has a closet as well. And again, you can walk in there. And it should be good enough for him. And then this is the second bed. Oh my God, I'm about to say bedroom. The second bathroom, which I love this because it has double sinks in this bathroom. Not that Sam needs double sinks, and it also has the double lights. And like I said, it has the pretty gray, I'll turn the light on for you guys. The pretty gray cabinets and the white granite. And then it has the bath and shower combination, and the toilet, and a separate little area. So if we did have like more than one kid, they can have their little separate space. Somebody could be taking a bath, taking a poop, and somebody can be brushing their teeth and getting ready or whatever. This is another closet. And this is just like, you know, your linen closet for your towels and sheets and all that. One thing I loved about this house is that I had the laundry room on the second floor. I literally hate loading clothes all the way from upstairs to downstairs. So this is our laundry room. It has a little storage you can put there. And then it also has shelves that you could put stuff on there as well. So I love that this is upstairs. And then this is another bedroom. This one is probably the smallest, or is the smallest bedroom. And it has a little closet. Again, it's still a walk-in closet. Same size as the other ones. But yeah, this is the smallest bedroom. Now, we also have a little storage attic compartment thing. I am not gonna pull that shit down because I'm not going to fuck up there. All right, now let's get to the master. So this is the master bedroom. It is a pretty good size. It's not like super big or super small. Ceiling fan as well. It has a pretty big window. I don't know what I be talking about. And this is where you can see the backyard. So I love, 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 love this bathroom. This is the master bathroom, and as you can see, it has the same tiles and the same pretty cabinets with a double sink as well. And it has this huge, huge mirror. One thing I don't like about this bathroom is it just has a shower. So eventually I am going to make this a bath, and then I'm going to put a shower right here where this linen closet is, because I literally love taking baths. I'll take a shower, but I love a bath. Like, I love soaking. I love just relaxing in the bathtub. And then, yeah, so this doesn't have it. So obviously it is a toilet, and you can close the door or whatever. You know, I got time to be smelling no shit all day. But yeah, let me actually show you guys what this counters look like, because this is so freaking beautiful. Like, I love it. And then another cool thing is this is the closet for the master bedroom, and it's a walk-in closet. So it's a really good size. I don't have that many clothes anyway, because I am not a clothes person. But yeah, this is the master bedroom. So now we're about to get to my favorite part of the house, which is the kitchen. Y'all, look at this beautiful freaking kitchen. Like I love every single thing about this kitchen. And excuse my stuff that's like sitting everywhere. These are gifts that the realtor and my lender gave me. Let me turn the light on for you guys. Like, I love this kitchen, guys. Just look at it. It is so beautiful. Obviously, we have the island right here. And they gave us a refrigerator. However, I am going to replace this refrigerator because I want the Samsung Smart refrigerator. This is going to be my little coffee area. And again, you see the cabinets and the counters are all the same. It's actually a stain on this one. And I have to wipe that up because I don't know what that is. And then it has an actual pantry, which is a pretty good size. And like I said, we got to pick everything. So from the counters to this little backdrop, the color of the cabinets, which I just love. This is the stove. It's an electric stove. Pretty good size. Everything is brand new. And then we also have the microwave. And then obviously you have your dishwasher and your double sinks. And here you go, you can see the actual living room. So the dining room, because as you can see, this is an open floor plan. So literally you'll just have a dining table right here in the middle or whatever, which I don't mind because we never eat in the dining room anyway. We literally eat in our living room or in our bedrooms, which we're not gonna do anymore. And then we have these two hanging lights. And yes, you guys, like, I just am so in love with everything about this freaking house. So let me show you guys the backyard. Our grass is a little skeptical right now, which is fine because it's about to be winter. But as you can see, some of the grass is coming up. Our neighbors still haven't moved in yet or anything, and we have to get it fenced off for Bella, of course. So let me like just walk out here and show you where our fence will be so you guys can get a better view. So literally this whole right there would be our backyard. So yeah, I plan on doing a lot in this backyard. I'm gonna get a grill. I'm gonna probably like do a little garden right by the area. I can't explain it, but right by this area I'll probably do a little garden or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope. All right, you guys, so it's officially the end of my house tour. I hope you guys love my house just as much as I love my house. This is such a huge accomplishment for me, and I am just so thankful. I'm glad to have you guys on this journey as well. I'm going to be doing decorating videos. I'm also going to be doing a video talking about how the VA loan process worked. So if you're in the military, I definitely suggest that you take advantage of your VA loan because it is definitely a great incentive that the military has. I'm having housewarming Thanksgiving. So if anybody wants to leave me a gift or send me a gift, whatever for the house, I'll definitely leave the link below. Comment what your favorite part of the house is, and I'll see you guys on the next video.